With just this one video, you can hang out in Seoul's PC rooms and karaoke bars just like a local. You don't need to know a single word of Korean, so don't worry. From pro gamer vibes to K-pop stardom, shall we get started with today's video? On the streets of Seoul, you'll see PC signs everywhere. They all point to one place, the PC Bang. Korean PC Bangs are a bit special. They're not just internet cafes anymore. They've basically become snack bars. Because of this, outside food isn't allowed. Don't be intimidated. Let's head inside. You'll see future pro gamers deep in their games. Want to join them? Go to the kiosk and tap non-member, Bihawon. It's best to buy a new ticket and pay with cash. Usually 1,000 Korean won gets you about 40 minutes of playtime. Select your time and hit pay. Even if you don't have a 1,001 bill, the machine will give you change automatically, so don't worry. Your receipt is your ticket, so don't lose it. Make sure to tap Get Change to collect all your coins. Now take your receipt and pick any seat you like. Look at the bottom right of the monitor. There's the power button. Turn it on. While the computer is booting up, it's a good time to charge your phone. On the bottom right of the screen, you'll see a space to enter the 4-digit number from your receipt. Enter those 4 digits and click the Start button. As soon as you log in, you'll see a massive food menu. You can order everything you want right from your seat. Of course, for a PC Bang, Japaghuri or Ramdon is the way to go. It's a mix of Japagetti and Neoguri, so it costs twice as much as regular ramen. For side dishes, you can usually choose between kimchi and yellow pickled radish. I'll go with kimchi. Select cash as your payment method. Prepare your 10,001 bill in advance, hit the order button, and you're done. While your food is being prepared, take a look around. There are plenty of games, but if you're not a gamer, you can enjoy Netflix comfortably. You don't even need an account. It logs in automatically. And here's my Japaghuri. It arrives on a tray, change and all. Sometimes a robot will even serve it to you. Talk about cyberpunk vibes, right? If you want to stay in your own world, put on the headset. Then just double-click the icon labeled Headset on the desktop. The volume control is left on the headset itself. Now put on a video and let the mukbang begin. Eat the kelp first and enjoy your solo time. Being able to grab a meal and enjoy everything from the internet to games and videos in one seat, that's the true charm of a PC Bang. If you're with friends, they also have couple rooms or group rooms you can check out. Now that we're full, shall we go burn off some calories? For karaoke, you must look for a place with the word coin on the sign. Places that show the price per song in big letters are Coin Noraebangs. The price here isn't bad. 1,001 for 3 songs is quite cheap. They have hourly rates too, but paying per song is usually more affordable. Let's head in. Larger rooms are more expensive, so it's better to pick a smaller one. Once you pick a room, choose your plan. Select the gray non-member option. The one with the clock icon is the per-minute rate. The light blue section at the bottom is the per-song rate. Since it's 3 songs for 1,001, let's start light with just 1,001. Just like we practiced at the PC Bang, let's choose cash payment. We're using the 1,001 we had left over from ramen. Insert the bill and your charge. Check your room number on the receipt. Make sure to grab microphone covers on your way to the room. When you get inside, you'll see your 3 songs are already loaded. Just stretch the cover over the mic and you're all set for hygiene. The remotes look the same everywhere. Press the popular chart button in the top left to see hits by genre. The far right is for OSTs. Golden, of K-pop Demon Hunters, is always on here. Just relax, don't worry about anyone watching, and sing your heart out. Oh, sorry, I had to cut the music for copyright reasons. Searching for songs is even easier. There's a Korean and English toggle button on the bottom left, so you can find songs easily. Most famous pop stars and rock bands are in the system, so go wild. I'm actually a big fan of rock and metal, but I'm not sure I should share that side of me here. Sorry, when you're done, your score pops up, so it's fun to make a bet with friends. If you get thirsty, grab some water from the vending machine. It's usually the cheapest option. If you've only got one song left and don't want to leave, you can recharge right inside the room. Just pop in another 1001 for 3 more songs. Easy, right? Oops, the editing isn't quite finished yet, but let me show you more Korean tech. You can pull up the sheet music to match the exact pitch. Of course, if you can't read music, well, sorry about that. You can just put your phone on the floor and feel like a rock star for a moment. If your friend is singing and you want to pick the next song, use the reserve function. You can search for songs while they're singing, and once you hit reserve, it queues it up. As soon as the current song ends, yours starts. It's a must-use when you're with a group. Now it's my turn to play. When you're done, please make sure to take your trash with you. Thank you, global friends. This local Ahjussi's guide to hanging out alone in Seoul will continue. If there are any other Seoul tips you want to hear, leave a comment below. Bye for now.